There's loads of videos this time of year telling you what you should do in the garden in January. We're going to tell you about the things you shouldn't do in your garden in January. Oi, keep off that lawn. Oh, I'm really sorry. I shouldn't have gone on the lawn. If you go on the grass this time of year, you're going to squash the soil down. You're going to press the air out of it. You're going to turn it into a complete boggy mess. So just stay off until the lawn's dry and firm. Don't cut back dead growth on things like cannas. It looks really ugly, but all this dead growth protects the roots underneath and stops the frost getting down. So just tolerate it till the spring when they're actively growing again. Don't use bubble wrap to protect plants. They'll just sweat under here and they'll rot. Use something where the air can percolate through, like proper horticultural fleece. Don't be tempted to trim off deciduous ferns either. Even if the leaves have gone really brown, this one's still looking good. If you leave the leaves on, it'll protect the new stems or croziers at the base. You can trim back late spring as the new croziers come through. That way, they're not going to get damaged by the frost. Don't feed lawns this time of year. They don't need feed. Wait until late March, early April, then feed when they can use it to create that beautiful green lawn. Don't chit seed potatoes yet. C-H-I-T, chit. Don't do that until about the middle of February, beginning of March. It's just too early at the moment. But if you get your seed potatoes now, keep them somewhere cool, dry, dark and frost-free, away from rodents, and they'll survive quite happily until chitting time comes around. Don't let bird baths and bird feeders get dirty. That can spread diseases such as avian flu. Keep the water nice and clean. Keep those feeding stations nice and clean. Then the birds can feed and they'll stay nice and healthy. Don't prune members of the prunus family. If you do, the cuts won't heal very well and there's a chance that some species will actually develop a disease called silverleaf. Wait until they're actively growing early summer. Don't leave plants sitting in saucers. The water can't get away, so the plant will just sit waterlogged and whatever's inside is just going to rot and die off. Don't be tempted to overwater your houseplants in winter either. They prefer to be on the drier side. If you overwater them, some of them might just rot off and die. So sometimes what you shouldn't do in January is as important as what you should do. So happy gardening, and remember, stay off that lawn.